Hi guys, I am just going to show you how to complete this measuring cup activity because we've never had one that really looks like this before. And usually when I give you um, assignments, then you make a copy and send it to me. So it'll be a little bit different. Sorry, I think you'll see this one. So it says measuring cup digital activity. What you're going to do is you're going to click on start, and there are different pictures on here. So it says choose one. This one says measuring cup, and this means it has a picture on top, which we're going to start with. So we're going to go with this one right here. So you're going to click on measuring cups with the picture on top. This helps us because then you can see the picture. Sorry, I'm pointing with my finger, funny. The picture on top, and then you're going to compare it to the ones on the bottom. Okay, so look at how this is on the bottom. We're going to measure how much this is, and this is a liquid measuring cup. Might be a little bit different than the other measuring cups when you are using these for recipes. So on this measuring cup, you'll see that there also has ounces. So 2 ounces, 4 ounces, 6 ounces, and 8 ounces. If we have a liquid all the way up to the top on this, then it is 1 full cup. So 1 cup. And on the sides, you'll see, do you remember how to say this number? 1/4, yes. 1/2, and 3/4. Nice job. So we're going to look at how high this liquid is. And it goes to 1/4 cup. And it tells us right over here, 1/4 cup. We're going to find the picture that matches. So you're going to look at this picture, and we're going to click this one down here. It says 1/4. Do you see how the line is exactly on 1/4, just like the other one? This one, the line is at 1/2, and this one, the line is at 3/4. So we're going to click this. This is a match. Yay, it tells us nice job, and we can go to the next one. This one says 1/2 cup. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at this picture, and you're going to match it to the ones on the bottom. Does this one say 1/2 cup? Nope, this one says 1/4, just like our last one. This one's all the way to the top, 1 cup. It's so high. And this is 1/2 cup. So this one matches the picture on the top. And it might be easy just to match the picture, but make sure you're looking and seeing these fractions right here so that we can do some more fractions practice and we can use our measuring skills, okay? So we're working really on these 3 fractions, 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4, okay? And what you'll notice is 1/4 is the smallest. Okay, so 1/4 is the smallest, then 1/2 is larger, so 1/2 means it's more. And then 3/4 and 1 cup is the most. So we're looking for 1/2. We're going to click this one. I'm just going to show you what it looks like if we don't pick the right one, just so you know what to do. So this one right here, do you remember how high this is? 3/4. So you're going to look at this and you're going to you're going to match the picture. So 3/4. We're going to pick this one, right? This one should be the right one, but I'm going to just make a quick mistake. I'm going to click here on 1 cup and let's just see what happens. It says try again. So you'll see this picture, and when you go back, you'll just go back to the one that it was before. So then we can go here and say, oh yes, that's right. It's 3/4. And then you'll continue. Okay, let's do one more. This one is all the way up to 1 cup. We'll click this. Nice job. All done. So it's a quick review. All right. So once you're done with that, now let's try to do the measuring cups that's white on the top. Okay. So there's no picture here. We only say 1/4 of a cup. So you'll see which one is 1/4. You'll look at these measuring lines on the side, see which one is 1/4. All right. I will. So this is what is sent to you. Yours will look a little bit different because it's on your iPad. But again, you're not going to make a copy of it. You're just going to do this as practice, and then we'll follow up with another activity for tomorrow. All right. Thanks, guys.